2019 Contenders, Hobby 3465. Again, this is the early bird. Dice roll. We're going 8 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 here, 8 here. Panthers up top. Washington at the bottom. 8 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 here, 8 here. Basso up top. Roy Roberts at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Panthers didn't sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. 2019 Contenders. Good luck. Good luck here, gentlemen. Good luck. 2019 Contenders. Here we go, here we go. Let's hit a monster. Again, I'm going to put the Chrome Mixer up next. Only 10 left in that Topps Chrome Mixer. Take them on the site. 10 left, 10 left. Topps Chrome Mixer, I believe it's $34.50. Darius Slayton. Brady and Aaron Jones. Phillip Rivers, MVP contenders. Mixon and Evans. Miles Sanders, J.J. Arcega-Whiteside to 49 on the Eagles round numbers. Again, Sanders, Arcega-Whiteside, that is 9 out of 49. Nice Sanders rookie for the Eagles. And Matty Ice. Dwayne Haskins. And Montez Sweat on the round numbers. For Washington, going to Roy Roberts. First ink, Isaiah Buggs. On the rookie ink for the Steelers, Isaiah Buggs going to Basso. Justice Hill, Dak and Sam Darnold, backup quarterback for those San Francisco Niners. Lonnie Johnson Jr. We already hit the 101 of this guy. Now we got the base for Houston. Roy Roberts, Lonnie Johnson Jr. Mahomes, Mitchell and Tyler Lockett. L.J. Scott on the ink. Playoff ticket to 99, L.J. Scott for the Ravens. And Matty Ice, L.J. Scott. Peyton Manning, Ingram and Parker. C.J. Mosley. Gardner Minshew. There's a sweet one. Minshew on the rookie auto for the Jags. Minshew Mania. Jags to Michael McCray on the Minshew ink. Gary Jennings Jr. Andy Dalton. Still should have our on-card auto hiding somewhere in this box. Hopefully it's a big one. Riley Ridley for the Bears. That's going to be our on-card ink. Riley Ridley. Under Roy Roberts and the Bears. Kyler Murray, Dwayne Haskins, round numbers. Cardinals, Matty Ice. And a Washington, Roy Roberts. We'll random that one. Winston, A.J. Boye. And I don't think we have any ink left. So let's fly through this stuff. Danny Dimes on the rook. Deshaun Watson, Russell Wilson. Daniel Jones, rookie for the Giants. You can take your spots in that Chrome Mixer, guys. Only 10 left in that break that hits the screen next. Bo Jackson, Eli Manning. Deshaun Watson, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Hollywood Brown, N'Keal Harry. Round numbers, again, that'll be random as well. We'll just go top, bottom on those to determine who gets them. Gardner Minshew, Rookie of the Year, Contenders for the Jags. Tim Brown, Legendary. Sony Michel. Ray Lewis, Winning Ticket. AJ Green. You guys take your spots on the site. Kyler Murray, rookie for the Cardinals. On a Matty Ice. TJ Hawkinson, Noah Fant. Round numbers. And Dak Prescott MVP. Again, quick recap. Got Kyler, Danny, Riley Ridley, Gardner Minshew, LJ Scott to 99, Lonnie Johnson, Isaiah Bugs, and Sanders Arcega-Whiteside to 49. Let's random off these round numbers. Again, take your spots on the site here, guys. Take your spots on the site. Let's run the random top, bottom, dice roll 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The bottom. 10 here, 10 here. All the bottom teams on those cards, we'll have those shipped their way. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.